Hi, I'm Nick Green and my company is Greenlight Electrical. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about the service requirements of an electric gate. So, when you think of it, it's a moving part. If you've got motors in the ground, that they can get filled up with rubbish and mud and dirt. You wouldn't really drive a car without having it serviced, and it's the same thing. The gate has to comply with the machinery directive, and it is classed as a machine. Therefore, that if it goes wrong, there can be consequences. Not only just to the lifetime of the installation, but also if safety devices fail, it could be serious for someone using it. So, when we're carrying out service, the things that we're doing is we're checking all the safety devices to make sure they're still operational. We're lubricating any of the moving parts just to make sure that they're not going to bind and cause problems later on. We'll carry out a few spot force tests just to make sure that nothing's changed, because a lot of the power comes through the gate. It can change based on the temperature that's around and failings in the control panel. We're also taking the control panel out just to make sure there's no bugs or slugs or anything getting in the back of them, because again, that's one of the biggest killers of control panels is slugs and insects getting on the back of the circuit boards, and they can quite easily blow up a control panel. So residentially, it is once a year. It can vary. It's really how frequently the gate's being used. If there's high traffic, and the gate's opening 50, 100 times a day, it could be more. But commercially, it's 6 months. Again, it can change. We have been known on high traffic areas to do a quarterly service, but normally it's 6 months. Yeah, so the warranty on the equipment made by the manufacturer is dictated by what brand it is chosen. CAME is 3 years, providing it is serviced in accordance with their maintenance schedule. So the first thing to do would be to pick up the phone and call us. We're always happy to give free advice over the phone, and really we can talk it through with different options. We can come out and do a survey and really go from there. But it's trying to get a feel for what you want, and we can make it happen. So they can either contact us on the website, they can pick up the phone and call the office on 01425 477 943, or they can send an email to info@gle-uk.co.uk.